Hello friends, today is March 17th. We are going to prune our roses. A good time to prune roses is the early spring when you see new growth on them. You can see new growths on them now. It is good to prune roses in spring because it needs that extra protection from the dry leaves and stems to survive the winter. The dry leaves and stems are also a shelter for the small insects also. You can trim at least 1/3 of the height. We can fertilize the roses also. At the same time, we are pruning them. This is a bloom booster flower food. We can add 1 spoon in 1 gallon of water.